Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana. Wanted to do a quick little update. I have a little bit of an itch in my nose, so if all of a sudden I cut out, then you know why. But no, wanted to do a full update. I mean, in general, we've covered Solana quite a bit in the last week, and in general, it's been bearish. All right, basically since that drop we had about 9 days ago, so Friday last week, not the last Friday, but the Friday before, we've turned bearish. All right, and if you look at the circumstances right now, there is just not that much that's bullish about Solana. If you look at Solana itself, what you can see on the daily time frame is that we've had a significant bearish breakout right here. First of all, below 162, and then below 157. And trust me, it will get a little bit more positive towards the later part of the video. But for now, let's be realistic, and those are some major bearish breakouts. Like if you would look at the circumstances here, what you would say is that, all right, well then it's most likely that after getting back into this range, it's most likely will drop back down into 120 and 125 now, which I partially agree with. But there are some things that are looking a little bit more bullish, and I wanted to talk about that. Now, first of all, if you still like the technical situation for now for Solana is not great. All right, technically we are trending down. There is absolutely no momentum, which is also reflected in if you look at Solana against Bitcoin. All right, if you look at the strength of Solana measured against Bitcoin, you can see that is also trending down and has had some major bearish breakouts. So there's a lot of reasons to be negative on Solana right now. But I choose to be relatively positive for the short term. Now, I do want you to know that if you look at the market circumstances right now, the thing is that the volume is very low. Right, volume is very low. We've had practically no movement throughout the entire weekend. So what that means is that we will get a lot of volatility and a lot of movement in the next 24 to 36 hours. So know that and be careful for that. But then if you look at if you look at some other statistics for Solana that make me a little bit more bullish, what you would look at is, for example, that if you compare Solana against Bitcoin, sure, it's bearish, but it is nearing a significant support level right here. And then apart from that, if you look at the total altcoin market, which Solana is a part of, that is nearing a significant support level as well. And then if you zoom into Solana, we hit 140, which also on the daily time frame is actually a relatively significant level right here. So some sort of support from there. I mean, we have already found some support from there, but potentially some more support from there is to be expected as well. And then you can also see that we have formed some sort of a bullish divergence here. You can see the price is making lower lows, even though the RSI is making higher highs. So there's an imbalance there. And apart from that, if you zoom out to both the altcoin market, but also Solana against Bitcoin, but also Solana in general, we're at some significant support levels. So I actually do think we can see some bullish momentum, at least back up to like 155. Now, technically the confirmation I would wait for, and I am waiting for, is a breakout above 146. You can see that that's a very, very recent and local resistance level right here. I think if we actually are able to get some sort of a decent breakout above that on the 4-hour time frame, in combination with all the other things we've spoken about, I think that's enough to actually get some bullish momentum on the short term. Now, is that dependent on what the market does? Excuse me. Yes. But overall, I do think, like, ultimately, I would wait for either a breakout above 146, which is bullish, or a breakdown below 140. But due to the circumstances and due to the confirmations we see, I do think this is short term more likely. So those are my thoughts. I'll try to keep you updated on this, but for now, that's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.